my goodness. 120 degrees. And that is just in the outskirts of this dryer. Can you imagine how hot it is right in the dead center of this? Unfortunately, this only goes up to 120, but I think that's enough to melt anybody's face off. Let's check the cookie. You can see the butter is kind of sweated a bit, and it's causing the cookie to slide down pretty easily. Yeah, it's extremely soft. This was frozen solid. I had just taken it from the freezer. That's crazy. Well, there you have it. Now you know how hot this dryer gets. So imagine yourself under this dryer covered in PVC capes, which for some sounds like a great way to spend a day. For others, it's probably extremely cruel. Well, now you know. My dryer is extremely hot, and hope you enjoyed this video.